Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Edited your video in CapCut for PC and want to keep that crisp, high quality look when exporting. I'll show you the best export settings to avoid quality loss. Let's get into it. Make sure your video project is fully edited in CapCut PC. Review everything, cuts text, effects, audio before export. At the top right corner, click the Export button. You'll see a window with several export options. Resolution, set it to 1080p or 4K for the best quality. Bitrate, choose height or custom and set it manually to 50,000 or more for 118p. And choose VBR. Codec I recommend choose 264. Format stick with MP4, which offers great quality and compatibility. Frame rate keep it at 30 or higher if your original footage allows. Choose a file name and save location. Click export and let CapCut do the work. Bonus tips: don't upscale footage, always match your export resolution to your original clip. Preview before exporting to check for blurriness or cropping issues. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.